So I'm going to write. Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to write few practice questions. Good morning. Keep your mics off now. Please write these questions in your notebook and solve them. Find the first three common multiples write the LCM.
Prakriti, turn on your camera. Anubhavi, turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
It's on only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Find the first three common multiples.
for my camera is not working.
Okay, Ishana, fine.
First sum is 5 and 6. First, you have to write the three common multiples of 5 and 6 and find the LCM also. B sum 9 and 12. Same. Find the first three common multiples of 9 and 12 and write the LCM also. Do this fast in your notebook. Meantime, I'll take the attendance and tell me present or absent if the child is. Yes.
Ma'am. Renu, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can speak the names. I'll tell you yes. Otherwise, they'll keep on switching on and off.
Okay, Madhuri ma'am, you will tell me. No problem. Yes, my dear. Who is having difficulty?
Mannat.
Ma'am, I know how to do LCM, but I don't know which is the how to do it. I know the formula, but I don't know how to do it.
Mannat, you were absent in that classes when I was teaching these topics. So I told you in the last class also. So you please mention the dates in the mail, right?
Ma'am, but okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will teach you one. You are new and this Brishank is also new. For them, I'm going to repeat this how to find the multiples, right? Here the question is find the first three common multiples, write the LCM also. First, we should know what is, yes?
What is LCM?
Least common multiple. The full form of LCM is least means smallest, right? Smallest common multiple. First, we should know what is multiple.
Yes, ma'am.
Mannat, you please see here first, understand it and then write. Multiple means you have to say the table of that number. If I say write the multiple of 6, so you will say the table of 6. Am I clear?
I know multiples.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know LCM also, but I know only one number at a time.
Okay. One number, how you take a LCM of one number? LCM of two numbers you can take together, right? Okay. So now listen, Mannat. Multiples means the table of that number. Am I clear, Vrishang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So can you tell me the two multiples of 7?
7 1 7 and 7 2 14.
Very good. So first multiple also will come, right? If I say the first two multiples, you will say 7 1 7 and 7 2 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiples are endless.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiples are endless because when you multiply any number with any number, you can keep on doing, right?
Yes.
7 10s are, 7 12s are, 7 18s are, 7 19s are. So you will keep on multiplying that the multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
But when the questions come in exam, they will give you some limit that how many multiples you have to write. So if like that, I have given example to write two multiples. So you told 7 1 7 and 7 2 14. So 7 and 14 are the two multiples of 7.
7.
Right. This way, if I have written here, find the first three common multiples. So what are how to find the common multiples, right? Common multiples always we find. Please keep your mics off.
Ma'am, till which we have to write the tables?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, me, Eva.
It's Eva, ma'am.
Eva, what happened?
Ma'am, we have to write the multiples, so till which we have to write the tables?
You find the first three common multiples. First, you have to find the multiples, then you have to find the common multiples, then you have to find the LCM.
But the tables we have to write till which? 6, 4.
Numbers are written here 5 and 6 and 9 and 12. Two sums I have given, Eva. Am I clear now? Yes.
Ma'am, I have find the LCM of 5 only.
Children,
Ma'am, LCM
how
will be 10.
LCM of 5 you have find out. Okay. But you have to find out the LCM between these two numbers.
Ma'am, we can't find LCM of only one number. It's common
Yes.
multiples.
After common multiple only you will able to find out the LCM. And LCM you will able to find out between the two numbers only, not with the one number. Because it's the least common multiple. First you need, if you don't find out the common multiple, and common will always come with two numbers. Can you able to find out the common multiple with one number? Is anything common in you? If I take only Mannat, right, Mannat? If I take example of Mannat, is there any, until I will not compare you with Aryan, will I able to find out the common things between?
No,
So for finding the common, we should have two things, right? We should have two things here also. For finding the common multiples, we should have two numbers, and then only we will able to find out the common between two numbers. So LCM you will can't find out with one number. You should have two numbers, then only you will find the common. Okay. So the common multiple, if I say first, find the first three common multiples, Brigang. So first you have to write what are the multiples of the numbers given. Numbers are 5 and 6. So you have to write first the multiples of 5 and 6 until at least till 10. Okay. Then when you write the table of 5 till 10 and when you write the table of 6 till 10, so you circle which all the numbers are common in 5 and 6.
Ma'am, in 5 and 6, just 30 is common till 10.
So you keep on writing.
Yes, ma'am,
because
only 30.
So we need three common multiples. So keep on writing the multiples and the common multiples and find
Okay,
out.
ma'am.
And find out, because we need
Yes, ma'am.
three common multiples between 5 and 6, and then you have to find out the LCM. Ma'am, Madhuri ma'am, I'm taking their attendance. Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav Palaskar,
Yes, ma'am.
present.
Yes, present. Swara, go and drink water and come fast.
Arush Verma,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Ahmed,
Absent.
Anubhavi,
Present.
Om Patel, Dar Sonavla,
Present.
Daksh Manoj Patel,
Absent.
Devanshi,
Absent. How come Devanshi is absent today?
no, don't know any information. Dhruvi,
Present.
Absent.
Daksh Patel has joined right now.
okay. Ishana,
Present.
Eva,
Present.
Hasti,
Absent.
Ibrahim absent.
I think there is a message for Hasti. You can check out on the
Okay.
group afterwards.
Okay. Jaival is present. Jash, Ruparelia,
Absent.
Kabir.
Absent.
Yeah, Kabir. Kathan is also. Krishita,
Present.
Mannat, Mantra.
Mantra was there, but I don't know. He has logged out again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And you are said to find out LCM also and
First
three
three
common
common
multiple.
multiple. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So it's, ma'am, very easy. We don't have to use two methods. We only have to use one method and we will get both. First,
Yes.
write 5 and write all the multiples of it. Then take out and then 6 and then take out common multiples. And at last, which is the smallest multiple, take that as LCM.
So
and
what
then
is your answer?
30.
Yes. Very good.
The answer.
Yes. So children, please write
Me
these
too.
questions.
The answer is 30.
So please note down these questions and fast do it later on after the class also. Have you all written these questions and tomorrow come up with the answers? Yes, Aheli. Yes, Aheli, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of second?
Yes, tell me what is the answer of second?
Ma'am, common multiples are 36, 72 and 108.
Very good, excellent. And what is the LCM? What is the LCM, Aheli?
Ma'am, I didn't multiply till now.
My dear, you can first multiple is the common multiple LCM because it's the smallest.
36. 36.
Yes, 36. Clear? So children, please note down within a second. I'm going to erase this now and then I have to do with other things. Those who have done this, they can write one more question for practice. Write all the even multiples. Children, we have learned even and odd also. A number which is even will have all the multiples.
All the multiples even and the number which is odd will have odd, even, odd, even.
Very good. So write all the even multiples of 3 between 10 and 30. Just take a note between 10 and 30, which all the multiples of 3 are even between 10 and 3. So you have to write that. Write these questions. You can solve it and come tomorrow with the answers. Now, please write it fast. Ma'am, Mantra,
Between 30 will come.
between 10 and 30.
So not 30 will come. 30 will not come.
No, 30 will not come. You are going to find out the between numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Mantra, I'll mark present.
Mantra, you mark present. And
Okay.
even Jash Ruparelia has joined now.
Okay.
Mantra, ma'am, just give a hold on Mantra.
Okay.
Daksh Patel is also there.
Yeah, Mayank.
Mayank is there. Mantra has come, ma'am. Mantra has joined.
Okay,
I
Mayank.
didn't understand.
Which child is saying didn't understand?
Ma'am, Vishang.
Brishang.
Yes, Vishang, tell me.
I didn't understand 3 between 10 and 30 even multiples.
Okay. Yeah, I will explain you how to find the even multiples and how to find the odd multiples. See, you know even and odd numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the even numbers?
Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8.
Yes. So even numbers are the numbers which are exactly divisible by 2, right?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
2 at the last, which numbers have 2, 4, 6. Like if you have 3-digit number 3, 5, 6, can you identify this number is the odd number or the even number?
It's an even number.
Even number. How you have find out?
Ma'am, because the last digit is 6.
Yes. So you have to check the ones place. If that number is 24680, then you will say that number is the even number. So suppose if I tell you write the multiples of 6. 6 is a even number. So
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
write the multiples of 6, you will find that all the multiples, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. These all the multiples are even.
Yes, ma'am.
So even number will always have a even multiples, and odd
Yes, ma'am.
number will have one odd, one even, one odd, one even number. This is the rule, right?
Yes.
So
Yes,
7 1
ma'am.
is 7, 7 2 is 14. So one odd, then even. Then 7 3 is
Yes,
21, then odd, then 28 is even. Right?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you find the multiples of even numbers, you will always get the even multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you find the multiples of an odd number, you will get one odd, one even, one odd, one even. So here
Yes, ma'am.
I have given to find out the multiples of 3, but only the even multiples. I don't want the odd multiples, I want the even
Ma'am,
multiples.
12, 18, and 24.
Yes, very good. So first I should know what are the multiples of 3.
Yes,
3
ma'am.
ones are 3. Can you tell me the table of 3?
3 1s are 3, 3
3,
2s are
3,
6, 3
6, 3, 3 are 9,
3 4
are
9, 3 4s are
18, 3, 6 are 18.
Aheli, wait. Let's speak Vegang. He's new, so you continue with your work.
3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 28,
3
3
8, 3 7s are 21, 3
3
8s
8s
are
are 28,
28,
24, sorry.
3 9s are,
27,
and 3 10s are
30.
30. So first you have written all the multiples of 3,
Yes, ma'am.
and now you can check that 1 is odd, then even, then odd, then even, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now they are saying only they want the write all the even multiples of 3 between 10 and 30. Means you have to start after 10
Yes, ma'am.
and it should come before 30.
Yes,
So 9 is here, but 10 is what comes in the table of 3. So this is the first even multiple after 10, because we don't want before 10, we want after 10.
yes, ma'am.
So after 10, one multiple is this, which is
Yes.
even.
Yes,
Then second multiple is what? Which is even.
18.
Yes. And third multiple is which one? Which is
24.
even. Yes. We will not take 30 because we want the between.
Yes,
When you take the between of any numbers, you will not count the starting number and you will not count the end number.
yes,
Ma'am, you forgot 6.
No, after 10 it is a Haley, after 10.
Okay.
So you will not take 6. Right? And when we are taking the between of any numbers, we will not take the starting number, we will not take the ending number.
yes, ma'am.
So which all are the numbers which are common and even, oh sorry, which are even? 12.
12, 18, 24.
Yes, so answer is 12, 18, 24. Am I
Ma'am,
clear?
it will come 30
Ma'am, the
also.
same way with the 10 table.
No, now you will not write the table of 10 because it needs only the multiples of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
And which numbers you have to take from 10 to 30. So from 10, 10 is not here. So from 10 to 30 we have noticed. So from 10 to 30, how many are the even multiples of 3?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is 12, 18 and 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Jash Malhotra, just now I explained when we take the between numbers, we will not take the and number. This is the ending. Right? Why ending? Because 10 is the starting and 30 is the ending. So which all are the even multiple? It should come in between the 10 and the 30. So starting and ending will not be included. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me take the attendance for a minute. Ma'am Maisha,
Yeah, just hold on, ma'am. Okay. Maisha not there. Absent.
Nimit,
Absent.
Neeral,
Present.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Nishika,
Present.
Om,
Om was there, but I don't know. Again, he has logged out.
yeah, but long time he was there, no?
Yeah.
Pant, yeah,
Yeah,
Pant is not coming. Pant is
Mandra
there?
is, I think, facing an issue, but he was there.
Oh, Prakrti,
Yes, present.
Preet,
Present.
Prithvi,
Present. Ma'am, Prithvi is
Viva.
not there. Ma'am, Prithvi is not there. Sorry.
Okay. Riva,
Present.
Ridhima,
Ridhima also was there, but now she is not to be seen.
okay. Rudra नहीं है. Sara,
Sara not there today.
Swara,
Yes, present.
Tejasvi marked, I marked present. Thanak is not there. Trisha, Vansh, Kalyani, Vedansh I marked present. Vihan is not there. Vivan,
Vivan Patel is there. Present.
Vrushika,
Rushika present.
Yash Malhotra.
Ma'am, Thanak has left the school.
Yes, I know. Yashvi,
Yashi is there. Yashvi is there.
Ma'am, Rudra is in his village.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, just check when Ridhima will come. No, just remind me.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, children, now I'm going to present your textbook page. You all have to open page number 91. Regang, you have your textbook?
Ma'am, we'll get in 2 days.
Okay, so I'm going to present the textbook page number on my screen. You just check on the screen and try to understand it, what I'm going to explain. And children, everyone open the textbook page number 91. Along with the textbook, if you have textbook, then you have to pin on my board screen because I'm going to explain these activities on the board. This page I am showing only for those children, those who don't have the textbook with them.
Ma'am, page number, can you repeat, please?
91.
Okay.
Swara, I am going to show you the page also on my screen. You check from there. My screen is visible to everyone. This is the page number 91. This is the page number in your books also.
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Children, please check your textbook. Those who have textbook, they please pin on my board screen because I'm going to explain this on board.
Ma'am, I cannot see the sharing.
You cannot see my presentation screen? You go to my present screen. There are 2 Renu Punjabis in your people's column. Which child is this?
Vishang.
Rishang.
Prashant, you go to people's column. There are 2 Renu Punjabi, ma'am. There one is present screen and one is simple screen. You can see now. Prashant.
Yes, ma'am.
Presentation screen. Yeah, open it.
Open this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the page number. Before that, we have done these pages. These pages are already done and then discussed in the class. So now we are going to do the page number 91. Those who have their books, they please present on my board screen because I'm going to do these sums on board. There are two circles you can see in your textbook. These circles are saying that these are the practice sums or as an activity. Think of a number. Ishana is there? Ishana?
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you please read this when I present my screen?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have my book also.
Yes, can you please read?
Ma'am, from the we have to read from common multiples.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle.
Yes. So, Aryan will tell me. Aryan, what do you understand by this line? Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain what do you understood by this line? Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle.
Ma'am, like we have to think a number. In case I have think the 9, so it is multiple of 3. So we have to write in the
Very good. Very good.
write in the red circle, and all the common circle numbers we have to write in the middle one.
Very good. So, there are two circles already given. Now, I will play this with the other students. Advika, can you think any one number and tell me? Or two-digit number or any number you will. Can you tell me?
35.
35. Jaival, Advika told she think one number that is 35, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, 35 is a multiple of 3
Five.
or a 5?
5.
5. So we write in the circle 5. This is an activities of play with like questions. So you have to think and you have to write. Riva, can you think any single digit or a two-digit number? Any number, two-digit or a one digit?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait.
Can I say?
Riva, can you please tell me?
Ma'am, can I say?
45.
45. She told 45. Where it will be written? 45 is a multiple of
3.
3 and is a multiple of 5.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In the middle.
It's a multiple of 5 also. If we write in the both, right?
Yes.
Shrikant, can you think any two-digit or a one-digit number and tell me?
Sorry, ma'am.
Can you think any single digit or a two-digit number? Any number?
Common multiples, right?
No. Any number. Any number, two-digit or a single one-digit.
Any number from 3 or 5.
No. From 1 to 100, you can think
Any number, beta. Any number.
Whichever you like.
Say 8.
7.
7. 7 comes in the table of 3 or in table of 5.
No.
So we will not write it there. We are just now revising the multiples of 3 and 5. Right?
Ma'am, can I
This
say?
way, it's the activity method of revising the tables. Yes, Malhotra. Can you think any one number and tell me?
27.
27 is a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5?
3.
3. So we write here.
Ma'am, I say.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, can I?
375.
375.
Both.
375. He told a three-digit number. Okay. So when you divide this 375 with the 3, please check whether it is completely divisible. Then
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be the multiple of 5 or 3 also. So this way you can think any numbers and write in the circles if it is a multiple of 3. Please switch off your microphones. So this way you can think any numbers and you can write and you can identify whether it is a multiple of 3 or the 5. So now we have written these numbers. You can keep on doing. This is the never ended activity because multiples are never ended. So now with the 3 only, if I want to find the common multiples, where I will write, I have to write in this middle. In your books, it is given in the purple shade, right? If I present the textbook here, you can see here, it's a purple shaded. In the purple part, you have to write the common ones. So can you please tell me which are the common multiples here? Yes, Vivan?
Ma'am, 45.
Ma'am, 15.
45.
No, out of these 3 numbers, which are the common which are in both?
Ma'am, 45 and 375.
45 and 375.
375.
Yes?
375 is the HCF.
So now can you please tell me which is the LCM here?
Ma'am, 45.
45.
Tejasvi, which is the LCM here?
45.
45.
45.
Ma'am, 45.
Yes.
45 is that.
Very good. Now, this way you will do with the table of 2 and 7. So complete this page, which is the smallest common in these multiples. So you write, first you have to write the table of 3, write the table of 5 and write the common multiples here. Right? This I have explained you.
Also.
Yes?
There is 4, 5 and 6 also at 92 page.
Yes, I will come on that also. That is the another one. See, so you will make the circles in your notebooks and do with the table of 3 and 5. Write the table of 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. You will write this table, and here also you will write the table 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. And then in the middle, you will write the common multiples. Which is the smallest common multiple? The first common multiple is the smallest common multiple, LCM. Repeat the game using this. Yes, my dear, tell me.
Ma'am, nothing that I am telling. You have said nothing.
Yes. And then you will do again, make on this next page of your notebook with the 2 and 7. Fine. And then you will write the common multiples of 2 and 7 and find the LCM. Then comes the next activity. Repeat. This is your home task, children. You have to complete, and tomorrow we will discuss. Repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6 and 5. Now, here you can see there are 3 circles. There are 3 circles given. 1, 2, and then it's 3 circles. Now, this is the orange part in your books. This is the gray part. This is the purple part. And this is the green part in your book. And here it is written 4. Here it is written 6. Here it is written 5. Am I clear till here? Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to read the question. Mannat, can you please read this line? What is written here? My cursor
Ma'am,
is here.
1 second. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part?
So first, before writing the common multiple, you should know the multiples, right? First step is, if I say to find the common multiple of any number. So before going to the common multiple, you should know what is the multiple of that number. So what are the multiples of 5 and 6? You will write the multiples of 5 in this white part. So next, Ishana, tell me the multiples of 5.
Yes, ma'am. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10,
Yes, yes,
15,
yes,
20,
yes.
25,
Mm-hmm.
30,
Yes,
35,
yes,
40,
yes,
45,
yes.
50.
Till 10 you have to write, because but you know that the multiples are endless, right? But at least till 10 you have to write. Then
Excuse
it
me,
is saying the
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, all the common multiples of 4 and 6 which ends with 0 are the common multiples of all the three numbers.
Yes, yes, then we will come up on that also. So now you please tell me which are the, who will tell me which are the multiples of 6?
Ma'am, can I say?
Mayank is there in the class.
Ma'am, please can I say?
Ma'am, can I
Mayank,
say?
Mayank, he log out or he is there in the class?
He is not there, ma'am. He logged
Ma'am,
out.
can I say?
Ma'am, can I
Yes, Jaival. Jaival, tell me.
Ma'am, 6 and the 6.
6 1 the 6. Yes.
12.
Ma'am, can I say?
If he is doing, so please let him complete. Yes, 6, 12, and
18, 6 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48,
yes, 6 9s are
54,
6
60.
10s are 60. Okay. Now, after writing the multiples of 5 and 6, you can check in your books. It is saying that write the common multiples in the green part. Write the common multiples of 5 and 6. Did you write in the green part? Where you will write?
Green part.
Yes, so this is the green part, right, in your books. So which are the common multiples? Can you please tell me?
Ma'am, you have not written 30.
The common multiple is 60. No.
No, ma'am, 30.
I have not written what?
30, ma'am.
30,
And 30 is the common.
30
Yes.
is
No, ma'am.
multiple.
No, ma'am. 30 is the common.
So
No, ma'am.
30.
It's
Are
not
it?
common. It's not common between all the
No,
numbers.
no. Here in green part, you have to write only the common multiples of 5 and 6.
Yes, ma'am, it is common.
Yes,
30.
it is common.
Ma'am, 30.
Yes, it is common. It is here the limit is not given that how many common multiples you have to write. So you can write 2 or 3 up to your choice, because it's clearly not given here that how many common multiples you have to write. So at least 2 common multiples you can write. So 50, 55 and 65. Extend this table of 5. I can find the 2 common multiples at least.
Yes, ma'am, 60.
So
Yes,
60. Yes. So you here you can write 30 and 60 in the green part, which are the common multiples of 5 and 6. Same way, when you read the question again, the next part, what common multiples of 4 and 6, and write in the orange part. So what are the this is the orange part. Here you will first write, you have already written the table of 6. You write the table of 4 here.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Deshika, please tell me.
4, 12.
4, 12.
Sorry, 4 1 the 4, 4, 8.
Yes. 12.
4 4 the 16.
Yes.
20, 24,
Yes.
28,
Yes.
32,
Yes.
36,
Yes.
and 40.
Yes. So now we have to write the common multiples of 4 and 6 in this orange part.
Ma'am, 12.
At least 2 common multiples you have to write. 12,
12 and 24.
12 and 20.
Ma'am, 18, 24.
No, 18.
18 will not come.
Yes, ma'am, 18 will not come.
12 and
20.
Yes, 12 and 24. This way,
20.
yes.
12 and 24.
20.
Ma'am, my laptop battery is low, so can I leave the class?
Yes, you will, Ishana. You will complete this multiples question. We will discuss it tomorrow. And
Done.
yeah. Done, everyone?
Bye, ma'am.
No, wait. I said I will take the attendance at the last also.
Bye, ma'am.
Vivan, so the next step is, in which color part did you write the common multiples of 4, 6 and 5?
Gray.
Gray, yes. In gray part, you will write the multiples of 4, 6 and 4, 6 and 5, because you can see here all the 3 are meeting, right? So after completing this question, come tomorrow. We will discuss the answers in the class tomorrow.
Ma'am, what is the smallest common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? Last.
And you have to find out the LCM, means smallest common multiple.
Ma'am, that is of course 60.
You have to find out and come. Tomorrow I'll ask the questions. And
Very late only 10 minutes ago.
one more thing is there for your home task. This is the page you can see in your textbook, page number 94. You have to write all the factors in the textbook. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, this page is related with the factors of 18, 24. 18 is already written. So you need to complete the factors of all these numbers in your textbooks. I am going to put it in the classroom that you will complete this page number and come tomorrow. So we will discuss the answers. So this is done today's class, and wait for the attendance, children. I will again take the attendance.
Renu ma'am, many of them have left, I suppose.
Okay, just their present, I think I already marked.
Yes, ma'am.
So just I will repeat.
Yeah, I have double checked also.
Yes, yes. Or Daniel, Dash. Ma'am, is there any child who joined later? Devanshi or anyone?
No, no, ma'am, nobody.
No. Okay, then it's done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, children. Thank you.
Ma'am, we can leave the class.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for
Bye,
today's
ma'am.
class. Bye.